Hi everyone, this is Cam speaking and I'm running TechJourno, which is covering global tech startup and sustainability stories. This is my new format which is called In Short, and I am handling top 3 tech stories of the week. Before starting the video, I will have a request from you. I'll be happy if you subscribe to my channel. Okay, now let's get back to the video. And my first story is coming from the Beatles, and a new Beatles song will be released later this year with a little help of from artificial intelligence, according to the musician Paul McCartney, and he announced this new song release this week. And the musician added that the technology had been used to extricate the voice of the late John Lennon from an old demo tape. I saw this story at Forbes.com, and McCartney didn't name the song, but there are some reports that it might be called Now and Then. One of the several tapes Lennon had made before he was killed in 1980. As a fan of Beatles, I am gonna wait for the song impatiently. And my second story is about the largest seed investment of Europe and Mistral AI, which is a French startup, raised $113 million just 1 month after being launched. The company announced this investment just 3 days ago. The company doesn't even have a regular website, and it says they are working on generative AI models. Paris-based Mistral AI was founded by former Meta and Google artificial intelligence researchers. Here their names: Timothy Lacroix, Guillaume Lampel, and Arthur Mensch. And Mistral AI's fundraising was led by international venture capital fund Lightspeed Venture Partners, plus business people Xavier Niel and Radolphe Sade were also involved. And also JC Deco Holding, Italy's Exor Ventures, and Belgian firm Sofina joined the funding. Let me note that former CEO of Google, Eric Schmidt, is also a shareholder in Mistral AI. And my third and final story is coming from Germany, and Ford opened its new EV production factory in Cologne. The move is a part of American automakers' push to make its entire European passenger vehicle lineup all electric by 2030. The Cologne Electric Vehicle Center will produce Ford's next generation electrical vehicles, the first of which will be the electric Explorer, followed by yet to be named sports crossover. The plant is expected to manufacture over 250,000 vehicles per year, and this is a huge number of Ford's target to build 2 million electric vehicles globally each year by the end of 2016. On the other hand, the factory is utilizing machine learning, autonomous transport systems, robotics, and augmented reality to enhance the production efficiency. This is all from TechJourno and In Short. I hope this video has been informative to you. If yes, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and post your comments below. Also turn on notifications to hear about the latest videos. Thank you for your time, and see you soon with the new videos, and bye for now.